Morning, folks. We're going to go check some cameras for the Wood River Wolf project this morning. We're going to start in this drainage, check a camera, then go up into the saddle and then into the other adjoining drainage and check that camera. So come along for the beautiful scenery this morning. Looks like we might get into some fresh snow from last night and yesterday, so let's go. So we just checked the camera set below us here. That memory card is full and the camera was pushed over, so maybe there's a black bear on there. We'll have to go home and see. The bad news is now I need to climb into that saddle up there to get to the other camera set. As a drill sergeant I had once said, it's time to embrace the suck. A little more of a rodeo than I was counting on. It's about 6 inches of fresh snow up here, and it's pretty daggone steep, but I can see the top from here, so I'll probably make it. Made it. We're in the saddle. All we gotta do is head down in this drainage for about a mile and check that camera, come back out, head back to the pickup. A little bit to find this one because of the extra 6 inches of snow that wasn't here when I put it, but we did find it. I think we'll pick this one up and carry it with us and take it back. Not a bad day today. Made it back into the saddle. Now all we have to do is make our way down there and down that long finger ridge, drop off it, find the pickup. Piece of cake. Yep, took the quicker, steeper way down and pretty much what I expected. Looks like it's blowing in some weather, so we opted for the faster, more exciting way down rather than the long way. Besides, I'm pretty tired, so we survived it, so it worked. We're almost back to the pickup. Wrapping up this predator survey. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you on the next one.